What's up guys, this is Moritz here from Sections once again, and today we are going to be having a look at this image with text section right here. You can use it in multiple ways. You can either have this text block aligned right here or on the right side or even in the middle, and then have the pictures on those both sides, and you can play with the pattern, margin, colors, text, whatever you name it. And I'm going to show you how you can customize it to your likings and also change up those pictures and a few other things. Let's get right into it. I'd say first thing I did for this is that I headed on over to the Shopify App Store, where I did get the Section Store app completely for free because it is a non-subscription app. One of our benefits of this is that the app is really fast, and even installing one of our sections, you can still eat the whole app itself and remain with the section itself. So it's going to remain fast, and just paste the code you need into your store. So let's have a look at the one I want to demonstrate you today. It's called Image with Text. The one you saw in the beginning of the video does come with a one-time charge of $9. Means if you bought it once, you'll also own it forever. You're not going to need to pay an expensive developer to custom code that one for you. And at the end of the day, you still have all the customization options in the world after getting the section. So yeah, before we can actually use it, we have to, of course, buy it, and then head on over to the My Sections area of the app, where you can find a collection of all the sections you are actually owning already. Then we're gonna click on Add Theme, and we're gonna add it to the Dawn Live theme. That's the one I'm using for this tutorial, but it does work on every theme, so don't worry about that. And then simply click on Customize In and open it up in the theme editor you just installed it to. I've already opened up mine right here, and this is what I came up with. I already filled those blocks with contents, but I'm going to show you real quick again how it works. So to add the section, just scroll all the way down, click on Add Sectioner, and type in SS image with text, and it's the image with text 8. It's going to look like this in the default version. And yeah, to save you some time, I already put it in all the pictures. So if I do want to change one of those, I can simply just go in here, pick one, and now it's directly going to get changed. This is how that works, and also works on all the other ones. The three top ones are the one on the bottom, on the top row. The other ones are the one on the bottom row. And if I want to do customizations to the whole thing itself, I click on Image with Text. I can decide how big the body gap is going to be. So if I do want it like this, or have it without gap, I can do that as well. Maybe I do a really thin gap on this one. That is looking nice. And now I want to decide where the content is going to be positioned. And like this, I would have to add one more picture to each block. So let's just chuck those in right here. And I want this black and white one underneath here. So I click on it, select another picture, because the grid did change a little bit with putting it in the middle. And now I want to add one here as well. Just do one green looking one. Maybe just chuck this one in right here. It's just to represent you how it's going to look like. And now it is looking something like this. Let's go back to the main block itself. Now we have it in the middle. Of course, the whole thing is working on mobile as well. Here it would look something like this. But let's switch back to desktop. Here we can change a few paddings and gaps, and the heading size, of course, is changeable on this one. And here we have the text, and if we scroll down even more, we can see the button and all the fonts and whatever you can change right here. But I'm not going to get into detail too much, because at the end of the day, you want to customize it to your likings. You can even decide how the button is going to look like, if it will have an outline or not. But this will make more sense if we enter this area, because here we can change all the colors of the elements we used in here. Maybe what is going to look nice. Maybe we're going to do the button in white and change the text color into green. So this will give a nice contrast. And here we could also change the section background, the button text background, the content background, whatever you name it. But yeah, hope this is already giving you a quick overview what you can do with the sections, how you can play around with the content position. And yeah, I think at the end of the day, you can just get creative with it, customize it to your likings. And I'm gonna have a final look at it at the test store before we're gonna round this video up. By the way, if you liked it, always feel free to leave a like, follow, questions, whatever you wanna have next from us. If you have some inspiration, we're always ready to hear. But yeah, this is the finished section. And with that being done and said, I hope you guys have a good one, and peace out.